Emerson is a global technology and engineering firm that manufactures products for the industrial, commercial, and consumer markets. We're roughly about 82,000 employees in over 80 countries globally. The role of HR has changed is that the HR business partners are increasingly becoming more strategic partners in helping the business solve their needs versus the traditional administrative role HR used to play. So the challenges that we face as a company is that we had disparate HR systems all around the globe. None of them were unified, and so we couldn't even keep track of headcount reporting. We couldn't identify and develop our global talent pool. The HCM Cloud helped us to attract more diverse talent globally by allowing us to integrate with global job boards and to increase our global talent pool. This is happening through through our use of the Oracle HCM suite of products to help us automate and streamline those back office processes for the HR partners.